How to prevent diabetes type 2 with intermittent fasting. Hey there, health enthusiasts. Are you seeking a powerful method to prevent and treat type 2 diabetes? Well, you're in luck. Today, I will share an amazing technique gaining popularity on the health scene: intermittent fasting. Discover how this fasting method can revolutionize your health and keep type 2 diabetes at bay. Picture this: you're living a life free from the shackles of type 2 diabetes, full of vitality and energy. Sounds amazing, right? But before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's get familiar with what diabetes type 2 is and how it affects your body. Diabetes type 2 is when your bloodstream is flooded with too much sugar, leading to weight loss and unpleasant symptoms. Thirstiness, unexplained weight loss despite increased food intake, fatigue, frequent urination, and blurred vision could all be red flags for type 2 diabetes. Now that we understand the enemy, let's explore the battleground within your body. In a normal scenario, your body uses insulin to help glucose enter your cells, which is used as an energy source. But with type 2 diabetes, this process goes haywire, leaving glucose stranded in your bloodstream. What puts you at risk of type 2 diabetes? Well, being overweight is a major factor. Take a moment to measure your waistline. If it's above 40 inches for men or 35 inches for women, the risk is real. Additionally, a sedentary lifestyle and a family history of type 2 diabetes can increase your chances of developing the condition. Now let's introduce our hero, intermittent fasting. But what exactly is it? Intermittent fasting is a dietary approach that involves not eating for a certain period each day. There are various methods, so you can find the one that suits you best. Let's explore a few popular ones. Method 1. 16 to 8 fasting. One common method is the 16 to 8 fasting, where you have an 8-hour eating window and fast for the remaining 16 hours. For example, you could fast from 8 p.m. until noon the next day and consume your meals between noon and 8 p.m. Method 2. 5 to 2 fasting. The 5 to 2 fasting method is another approach. With this method, you eat a regular diet for 5 consecutive days, followed by 2 days of fasting. During fasting, you can consume small meals totaling less than 500 calories. Method 3. Alternate day fasting. If you prefer more extended fasting periods, alternate day fasting might be your cup of tea. You fast for 24 hours, followed by a day of regular eating, and repeat this cycle. Method 4. Early time restricted feeding. Some individuals opt for early time restricted feeding. They consume their meals in the morning and early afternoon, then fast for the rest of the day and night. Benefits of intermittent fasting. Now let's talk about the incredible benefits of intermittent fasting for your overall health. This fasting method is not only a great tool for weight management, but also positively impacts various aspects of your well-being. By shedding those excess pounds and maintaining a healthy weight, you'll be on the path to a disease-free life. Intermittent fasting has been linked to a reduced risk of type 2 diabetes, sleep disorders, certain cancers, and even diseases like Alzheimer's, arthritis, asthma, multiple sclerosis, and stroke. Impact on diabetes type 2. But can intermittent fasting prevent diabetes type 2? Absolutely. This fasting technique effectively fights against diabetes, including type 2. It reduces body fat, decreases calorie intake, and promotes the utilization of fatty acids and ketones for energy instead of relying solely on glucose. Moreover, intermittent fasting has shown promising results for individuals with type 2 diabetes. Treatment for diabetes type 2. Recent studies have revealed that intermittent fasting can significantly reduce average blood glucose levels and HbA1c for those with type 2 diabetes. Some participants could even discontinue their insulin therapy within just 1 month of implementing intermittent fasting. Individuals who persisted with this approach for a year could stop taking medications altogether. In conclusion, intermittent fasting isn't just a prevention strategy, it's a powerful treatment for type 2 diabetes. By embracing this technique and adopting a healthy lifestyle, you can bid farewell to diabetes and welcome a future filled with optimal well-being. Are you ready to take charge of your health and prevent or even treat type 2 diabetes? Don't wait another day. Join the intermittent fasting revolution and unlock a healthier you. Hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more amazing health tips and strategies. Remember, your health is in your hands. Thanks for watching. If you found this video informative and insightful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And as always, leave your comments below. Let's embark on this journey together towards the diabetes-free world. Until next time, stay healthy and stay happy.